Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crunchy potato hash browns, a perfect side for your bacon and eggs for breakfast. Let's get started. Peel 2 white potatoes. This recipe makes 1 hash brown, so adjust the recipe if you need to. Grate your 2 potatoes using a standard box grater. Now you want to transfer the grated potatoes into a bowl of water. This is going to help remove any starch from the potatoes, which will help us get a nice crispy and crunchy hash brown. Mix the potatoes in the water to remove the starch, then transfer the potatoes into a strainer. Place your paper towels down, and now it's time to squeeze out the remaining water. Make sure to get out as much as you can. The drier the potato, the crunchier the hash brown. In a clean bowl, add your dry potatoes and add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a few twists of cracked pepper and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix well, coating all those potatoes with the seasoning. In a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter along with your grated potatoes. The size is a personal preference here. I used up my whole mix in this pan, which gave me a larger hash brown. If you like it crispy instead of soggy and deep golden instead of burnt, don't skip on the fat. As you can see, I'm adding some butter on the sides of the pan, which will slowly melt under the potatoes, helping it not to stick and create the crunch we are after. With a spatula or a wooden spoon, press down on the hash brown. This is really going to help bind the potatoes together. After about 4 or 5 minutes, grab a plate, place it over the pan and flip. With a spatula, slide the hash brown back into the pan, adding a little more butter and cooking for a few more minutes. Now it's time to take it off the pan, season with some flaky salt, and because mine's a bit bigger, I'm cutting mine into 4. So there you have it. Serve with some bacon and eggs, or like me, I'm just having it on its own. To keep up to date with any future recipes and tips, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on my next video.